The word fish.
F.
I know where F is.
Yep. I. S. H.
Fish.
Good job.
Way to go. How do you spell the word taxi?
It's right there. T. A. X.
I don't have an X. Oh,
I.
I. Taxi.
Good job. High five. Good job. Whoa.
Let me give you a hug.
I know.
Duck. How do you spell the word duck?
Mhm.
Duck. That was a
D.
one. D. D.
Mhm. No, that's T, honey. D.
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 Yes. U.
U.
C.
Where's D? D.
Yes. K.
K. K.
Mhm.
Duck.
Good job. What's next?
How do you spell the word smile? Maya.
Okay. S. M.
M.
Mhm. I. L. E.
E. E.
Move your hand. No, that's right there. E. Mhm.
Smile. Way to go.
Good job.
Jump. How do you spell the word jump? Jump.
J.
J.
Mhm. U. M. No. Oh, no. That's N. M. M. E. Or P. Sorry.
P.
P. P.
P.
No. P. What is that? That's T. No, not B.
B.
P. P. Not B. That's B. Fine. P. Other side. Other side. Keep going. Going. Keep going. Go up. P. No, back. Back. Where's P? Good job. You found it.
How do you spell the word kiss?
Kiss. K. Yep. K for Kaya. I. S. S.
Kiss.
Mhm. Kisses.
S. S.
Yep.
How do you spell the word dance? Dance.
Dance. D.
D. Where's D?
You know where D is.
D?
No, not T. D. 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 Right there. No, that's C. There you go. D. A. N.
N?
N. Yes. C.
Where's C?
You know where C, not E. C. C. Yeah, I think that's it. I can't see it there. No, that's D. Let's clear that. C.
Where's C at?
C.
You tell me.
Right underneath the D. C. Right. There you go. Right. No. Go over. Right there. Yep. E.
Where's D?
E.
E?
Mhm.
Dance.
Good job.
Come on.
Yeah.
And after this one, we're done with the whole thing of this. How do you spell the word ballerina? When I push zero.
B.
B. Where's B?
B. Find it.
B.
Mhm. A. L. L. E. E. E.
E.
Up one more.
What?
E is up one more. No, I said up one more. E is up one more. Go up.
Where?
Go up and find E.
E?
E. R. Right next to E. I. N. A.
Ballerina.
Good job. That was a long one.
Okay. Super. We want to play a different game.
Okay.